Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ downtown Minneapolis. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times, yeah, buddy, a little bit weird. Today's episode is, what is your favorite score, music score, for a movie or a TV show, or maybe a soundtrack? Quite a bit that's out there. I first was hoping that there would have been a movie score from Murph and the Magic Tones or Captain Geach and the Shrimp Shack Shooters, but I couldn't find one. So I'd have to say probably my favorite score for a movie as a whole would be the original Matrix that came out in 1999. Saw must say. And for a TV show, I don't really watch TV. Game of Thrones. Man, I know it's kind of cliche. And there was like a million, trillion, billion, gazillion, quadrillion versions of that song when it was super popular. But I really enjoyed it. And I liked how they kind of mixed it up a little bit towards the end of its run, when they were just kind of like mixing up the music with the graphics, like the introduction. I really enjoyed that. That was pretty rad. It was pretty rad. What about you guys? What's your favorite song or musical score for a TV show or a movie? Do you have one? Or are you just basically kind of like, this is the mud, this is the stick, who you are, and you just kind of, there you go. It's like, do you have a pulse? Just saying. So if you have a favorite song for a movie or a TV show, share downstairs in the skinny jeans zone. I'm recording a few of these in skinny jeans. Ooh yeah. Pimped my ride, baby. Ooh yeah. So let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ downtown Minneapolis with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. If you're a subscriber, yay! Like, comment, share, do all that fun stuff. If you're not a subscriber, for reals, become a subscriber, and then like, comment, share, hit the bell, ding dong notifications, and if you need to, I'll send a raven. But until next time, stay caffeinated. Aw, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Whoa, skinny jeans. I'll make my way back up in the noisy chair. Oh, yeah. Ciao.